Bonjour les amis. Welcome back to Smart Learning Foreign Language, your favorite place to learn French the smart way. Today, we're going to learn one of the most important French verbs, venir, which means to come in English. We'll learn the present tense conjugation with easy examples for beginners. Let's conjugate venir in present tense. Je viens, I come. Tu viens, you come. Il, elle, on vient. He, she, one comes. Nous venons, we come. Vous venez, you come formal or plural. Ils, elles viennent, they come. Remember, venir is irregular, so memorize this pattern. Now some examples. Je viens de l'école, I come from school. Tu viens avec moi? Are you coming with me? Il vient à la maison. He is coming home. Nous venons pour la fête. We come for the party. Vous venez souvent ici? Do you come here often? Elles viennent du marché. They come from the market. Venir is super useful for talking about coming to places, inviting someone, explaining your origin, and attending events. Mastering venir helps you sound more natural in French. If this helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Learning Foreign Language. Tap the notification bell for new lessons. Check the description for amazing free resources. Eiffel Excellence. Learn French in 30 days. How to communicate in French, and Bonjour Basics for students. Merci beaucoup for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing, and you'll speak French with confidence. This is Smart Learning Foreign Language. À bientôt et bonne chance.